In this video, we'll teach you how to delete blank rows manually, as well as how to utilize filters to delete blank rows. Using a filter. Add a new column to your document. Title this column Blanks. Click the cell directly under the cell that says Blanks. In this cell, enter the formula. Click the dot in the lower right corner of your formula cell and drag down. Select the cell that says Blanks and go to the Data tab. Select Filter. Click the drop-down arrow next to Blanks. Click Select All to clear the checkboxes. Select 0. Then click the OK button. Select the blank rows. Right-click any one of the selected rows and press Delete Rows. Remove the filter by pressing the Filter button again. Click the column letter of the Blanks column and delete it. Deleting blank rows manually. Click the row number next to the blank row. Right-click any one of the selected rows and press Delete Rows. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.